Hey guys, it's me. So today, as you saw in the thumbnail, we got a couple things. One, I think I may have done recently in another video, but for whatever reason, I got some doubles in each box that I bought there, the Japan box. So this is the one that I think we've done already. Maybe it's a different flavor or whatever, and I had liked the last one, so I would imagine that I would like this one. So it's marshmallow. It's good. It tastes good. Would I buy it again? Yes, but because I don't live in Japan, I'd have to go to Japan to get it, or buy another box with a bunch of other stuff. Like, if it was just this, okay, but it isn't. So that. Next up on the docket is Kit Kat Strawberry. Or Kit Kat Strawberry, yeah. So, I don't know if I've done this flavor already, but no, I don't think so, because it's chocolate, dark chocolate at the bottom, and strawberry. It smells good. It's a different flavor of Kit Kat, but it's good. Will I buy it again? Probably not, but whatever. And the last is Slush Puppy. And I'm guessing it's from England, because I didn't buy it in England, but because of that sign there, or Europe. So let's see. Yeah, it is, because the in Europe they do that this thing where the top doesn't fully come off. It's bubbly or fizzy. It's blue raspberry original. It tastes good. It reminds me of when I was younger, I went to the skating rink or something, and they often had slushies, which are like freezies, frozens. That's like 7-Eleven things, if you're in the US. And it's like shaved ice with flavoring in it and stuff, and you drink it. It's very good. I really like him. Yeah, so that's what that reminds me of. Yeah, so guys, thanks for coming to watch. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell icon if you're be notified every time I upload, and I hope you all have a nice day. Sorry about that. Bye.